and we're here at the Holiday Inn Express, Voorhees, New Jersey. Now, we actually have a double room tour going here. Got 2 rooms. I'm just booking rooms for my family. Just have the hotel block here for a family reunion. And figure, might as well quality check the rooms, right? Make sure that they're up to snuff. So starting right out here, let me just pocket these. We've got a door that does close. Door that closes, and you have your standard security hardware here. And I got one of these deadbolts and a plug bolt as well. Door's a little jiggly, but if you get the deadbolt, it's pretty secure. But I wouldn't say there's really actually a security issue there, just something of note. Starting at the bathroom, now this room, got an ADA room because we need it in this case. So a little bit different than your typical room. You know, it's a shower that a wheelchair can roll into. And then we can turn on the shower. Reasonable water pressure in the shower. And I think we can get hot water as well. That's one thing I'm interested in checking. But yes, we are getting hot water, so we're good there. See, I'm doing a good deed, and I'm also getting some YouTube money. There's a mirror with a Nerd in a Hawaiian shirt there. Working sink. With a fair amount of security. Got a toilet here, a crane toilet. Gonna do the Schindler Houghton signature gross out test. And knock my grandmother's toilet paper on the ground in the process. Open up the toilet. Looks clean. Let's see if it is clean. Yeah, it's pretty good. That's pretty good. I'm happy with that. Of course, my hand's wet. So I got like toilet paper on me, and we're off to a great start here. At least I'm off to a great start. Hotel's good. And then these towels here seem good. And I'm gonna take us into the main room. It's gonna be a little less in depth than I usually am, just because I don't wanna tear apart other people's beds. And I know this place, and I trust that it's pretty clean. We do have a Distinctions P-TAC here. Turn it off. Filters are really good. Very good filters. Turn it back on, so we have AC. We also have a little bit of a kind of a blackout shutter, which with some signs of wear and tear on it. I also don't know that it closes. There we go. It's a little stuck there, but does the job. I think maybe these are supposed to be on like some kind of rails. In fact, we can probably get them back. Yeah, we can get them back in there. That'll make it work a little better, I think. I'm not too worried about it. I can see why I was a little messed up to begin with, but that's better. We got a standard dorm room microwave here. 5 seconds left on the clock. Clean microwave. Expect that this mini fridge is going to be pretty clean too, and it is. We've got a closet. I'm going to say, really, no issues with this room whatsoever. Everything's in good shape. I mean, what this is an older Hampton Inn property. It has since been converted to a Holiday Inn Express. Pillows are in really nice shape. These are pretty new pillows. And then you got your standard newer IHG bedding. Where it's more of like a pattern duvet cover. Now just peeling back the sheets. I think they might actually use flat sheets here, which is interesting. It's a nice feeling mattress. and everything looks clean. Now, moving on to the TV. Looks like we do not have a smart TV. I don't know, my hill to die on. It's like a nice flat panel. Yeah, it's not get copyrighted. Yeah, no. This is not SpongeBob. No, nothing to see here. I turn this. There we go. There we go. And then in the drawers. Yeah, I mean, everything's in good shape. You have your standard office building chair here as well, which is in nice condition. Yeah, I mean, there's like a little few signs of wear and tear here and there. Shelf's not 100% secure, but this is just kind of an IKEA renovation package. It's in good shape. I've been getting good feedback about this place so far, and I concur. So let's move on to room 337. And here we are in room 337. Let's open it up. This room belongs to my parents. So this one does have a slightly different layout from the other one. I'll just stow that back in there. I'll figure it out later. Turn on the light. So pretty similar deal. We've got a similar bathroom. And in this one, instead of a roll-in ADA shower, we got a shower stall. I don't know what that is. It looks like corrosion or something, or maybe paint. That doesn't look great. Not problematic, but not an amazing look. The shower, a few little scuffs here and there, but nothing I would really be concerned about. Nothing really looks like a cleanliness issue to me. Got warm water out of there too. A little bit of a delayed reaction there. Okay, back to your regular scheduled programming. This is a Kohler toilet. This has been replaced. Get the piece of toilet paper and do the same thing I've been doing. I think y'all know the deal by now. Okay, I'm not so happy with that one. That one wasn't so hot. Let's wash my hands again. That was not a good result. All right, now that we've taken care of that, I'm actually a little surprised to find that based on what we found so far. Yeah, the other one scored really well. Also, a decently clean microwave. A little bit of just built up grime that just kind of comes from age. But nothing that I'm overly concerned about. Mini fridge is clean. We do have a Keurig here as well. There's a Keurig in the other one as well. Now this one has an external thermostat. Doesn't have any of the, doesn't have like a motion sensor or anything like that. This doesn't have any of the features that make property owners jerks. Yeah, a bit of a different setup here. Now, this piece of furniture isn't in the other one. Now, it's right up against the P-tack, so maybe not the greatest spot for that. It's a Gree P-tack. Different brand. That filter doesn't really go in there so well, but these filters are spotless, so happy to see that. Got the same desk. We do have another TV here as well, although this appears to have been replaced, and I think this is actually a smart TV. Yes, it is. Okay. Yeah, I think we're... Oh, I see. So this, it's like so you can connect like a PC There's probably, I don't see any point. Not worried about it now. Exit that. And then you can, there's www. Okay, I'm not fighting with that. But nice, they have a smart TV so I can watch my own videos in here. While my parents sleep in here. And then I go back home 15 minutes away. Similar, very similar deal here. Sheets look clean. They're obviously changed. Bedding's all in good shape. That is a nice piece of furniture to have there, by the way. It can get you out of a little bit of a pickle if, I don't know, if a poorly run property runs out of 2 queens and they have to give you a 1 king. It's at least, maybe to some people, at least a little better than sharing a bed. Or if you have like a group of 3 or like a family of 3 or something, 2 parents and a kid, that can be helpful as well. Pick up the phone, and the phone does work. You can tell when I trust the place a little more if I'm skipping certain things. Everything here is also in good shape. I think that about does us. So aside from the fairly poor result of this grossed out test, which I'm not going to hold against them too much. I think we got pretty good marks here. It's a very solid property, and if you're ever staying in the Cherry Hill, Mount Laurel, Voorhees area, I'd say this is a good place to stay. So, thank you for tuning in. Catch you guys soon.